Bum 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 bum. Man. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Yeah. I might get a seizure. Menu. Hey, Sleepy. Welcome. So quick in the draw. Let us begin.
May blades reach what hands failed to grasp. May mind pierce the darkness where eyes failed.
Okay.
So unnecessary.
Wow.
He made it happen.
May will overcome where flesh and steel stumbled.
Okay.
Art.
I know this doesn't look good.
Oh yeah, I think my bot is working. I need to connect this, right? I forgot to connect it. What's going on?
I don't know. Just stall for time.
May a new
I had to fix it later. I was trying to fix it yesterday, but I didn't want to deal with it. Remind me again off your stream. Oh no, he's awake. Good morning. Hello.
Master, the Asura are here to serve you.
What is going on?
Who's this
We
dude?
came back for you.
Guy from the first one? He's just awake?
The tyrant is long gone, Mitra. Dharma is weak now.
What? How much time has passed?
I don't remember part one.
Safe here, Master. Let's go.
Hey, you! Lay down your weapons, now!
A number?
Let me put it down, Master.
Will Bushido allow it?
What?
It will now.
Sorry?
We'll meet by the gate.
He just went invisible.
May we be free! Are you even trying, number? I close my eyes, but the
Oh. 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 It feels like it's been a while since I played. Oh.
the hour of reckoning is at hand.
Oh.
Pay for an Asura's humiliation.
Oh, where'd you go? Alright, cool. You got me pathetic. What? Who the heck? That bitter chocolate hurt.
Who are you? Who are you?
An ally.
Good. I'm back.
You call that speed?
Oh, yo, it's got a gun. What? What do you mean?
You're no runner. You're
Oh, he'll stun him.
Are you even awake?
What do you mean, am I even awake? Oh, what?
Pathetic.
Oh, interesting. Oh! What is going on? Where's my guy? I'm scared. I don't want to do this all over again. Okay, cool. I got it. Whoa, nice. I got a sword.
Master,
2 tries, baby. 2 tries. I just started my day.
this one's weakness surely is not worthy. But through this sacrifice, carry forth the vengeance
Look at this guy.
of the Usher.
I just sleepy.
May we be free.
You committed Sudoku. Ugh.
Threat neutralized?
Yes?
He's dead.
Good. Glad I could help.
You got
My
eyes,
name
don't
is-
you?
Adrian Bakunin, throw down your weapons and surrender.
Heard that one before.
In the name of the Interface Council, you're under arrest. Let's go.
Understood.
Now you show up.
We're here, ain't we? Connor wants to see you.
I'm
Sure he does.
very confused at what's going on. We did it! Let's go. 0 deaths, 0 deaths. No deaths, first try.
Good job out there. Glad you're in one piece.
Yeah, thanks. Connor wants to see me.
Uh-huh. But please talk to Zoe first. She was worried sick about you.
I will.
Oh yeah, it's Zoe from part
this
1.
guy you brought in, he says he's got some information. Might be worth checking out.
Wait, there's like a
and drop
hub?
by later. You've missed your appointment.
Sure. See you in a bit.
Later.
Oh. Like a... Not a story, like a hub. I didn't think there'd be a hub. Slap, 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 slap.
I missed our appointment today.
Yeah, don't worry, Jack. I was just gonna tell you you finished all the tests.
And?
And you're fit as a fiddle. A heavily augmented transhuman fiddle, but the meaty part.
Good to know.
Alright, yeah. I don't need to hear this.
Hey,
Okay.
sure, it's a shuriken throwing. Thought it.
Nice.
No, prefer.
I'll try.
Oh, I can throw shurikens now! Yay! Holographic shuriken. You gonna talk to him?
Do you
Not a, you.
was
All
done?
both.
I don't think it's anything.
No,
we can
but-
do, right? Patient, blah, blah, or interact. Augmented, upgrade chips. Data between your purchase your first upgrade. Now purchase your first. Well, I purchased an upgrade chip. Sensory boost costs less stamina. Dashing costs less stamina. Okay, hold on. What is this? Oh, that's good. Tactical overlay. Search where they went Wednesday came. Yeah, just grab everything. Wait, let's equip a new scale. Yeah, motherboard. Yeah. Jack Strong. Yeah. What? Dashing costs less stamina. What? Huh. Okay. Fuck yeah. What up, Zoe?
I'm back.
Sorry, I couldn't be. Connor had me hacking the Plan B.
Plan A was.
God, we don't know where these Ashura.
We know we need.
Yeah,
How are you holding up?
that's what I mean.
Bakun.
I'm talking about last year,
That will.
and then
Wish it was.
I'm.
Yeah, yeah.
You.
Guess.
Alright.
How are you holding?
That,
Oh fuck! I pressed it again.
think?
The way they. Well, and
Could they?
yeah. Why?
Just
Oh,
tone
and
it big
we've
enough.
managed to get a hold of one.
Haven't
Yeah.
seen.
Yeah. Come on.
I will.
Okay. What should give me? Vintage stuff. What about this guy?
Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Wish we could get them
They weren't even.
right. One
How do you know?
What do you know?
there's reason you
There goes
single-handedly
Ghostrunner.
took down the.
Hey.
Why were you?
I'd been tracked. He
Me. Tr-
most likely, but I did. So I came to. I don't. Besides,
Okay.
Can you help?
I believe in the field if need be. As soon as your friends decide to let me go, well, I got a feeling.
Right.
Hey, what's this last thing? Is it still telling me there's something here? Got them all. Connor. Alright. Hear the news? Are you Connor? Hey,
I
Connor.
have questions.
Who doesn't, eh?
What did you want?
We have. And you've been random.
Don't we have a?
What? Well, which
Uh-huh.
concluded in
Yeah, I
them,
did take
so
a
I
look
don't-
at those.
any-
Okay.
let me-
Sure. I'm ready.
Tell me a
Church. It's no longer five guys. They're not.
like that,
Yeah.
or they.
Okay. All right. Sure. We go to the box. Okay.
Sure.
Why?
Did he?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Leave. Honor. Oh, I'm ready for a
I'm
church
ready.
mission.
Leave the. Zoe will.
Is that?
For now.
Alright, dismiss. Okay, so automatically in start progression, you can't miss it.
I've dug up some blueprints. This place must be huge.
Definitely not key. Findings. Ooh, skill. Activate skill. Middle mouse button. Bruh, how about that? Ultimate. Oh. What? Begin to jerk it. Because I mean, a stun under strength. Grapple point. Oh, it's a grapple point. Oh, so they let you use as many as you want when you're not in combat. That's pretty nice.
They need a fuckload of space to fit the architect's ego. And I was wondering why he needs 3 rooms living alone. You got a storage unit too. This used to be the Rotman's turf.
Yeah, they got pushed out by the old guard last month, and then backstabbed by the Fontaneros while pushing back.
Oh, that's funny. That's supposed to be right there.
That's
Yeah,
why
right
we
here.
need the tower to unite.
Under whose leadership?
Under an independent council of representatives.
How's your day been, Sky?
Run by you.
EP?
You want to be the mayor? Be my guest, Jackie.
Alright, find the memory shard. The second one is in a room where you need to drain water, follow the main pipe to enter the door. Say open, don't go in, follow the path right. Okay. For a memory, you need memory card.
Just bear in mind that in politics, you're not normally allowed to kill your opponents.
Whee! Whee! Oh my god. Good. Oh god.
You need to get down there. Look for something that will drain the water.
Nice. I'ma drain the water. Draining the water. Oh yeah, it's so quiet. No music here? Oh, what the heck? That was weird. Like, that's correctly. Oh, okay, that was just right there. I don't know why I was so confused. I can't hit him from here.
This is definitely the right direction. The cathedral should be nearby. Judging by the number of freaks. Judging by the fact that
There you
the
go.
footprints show a huge area down below.
Close.
Freak work too?
Huh? I gotta drain the water? Wait, how come it's not working then? Oh. There's two, that's one. I knew that. Whee! Oh my god, the water. What? Oh, I didn't even see that wall there, honestly. I don't know, I didn't see that wall. Jimmy didn't see that wall. I was like, grapple, 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 it's not reaching. That was easy. This game. Not there. Here. You go. Wee. You go. Wee. And there it is. Alright. Next. After what? Follow the main path again. Whee! Like the sword.
Here we are.
Pretty.
After jumping along 2 bars of the wall, run along the wall. Okay. Woo! Ooh. It's definitely here, right? Oh yeah, I can see on my map. Nice. Follow again to destroy a piece of the second with your shuriken. The wall come down, turn around. Okay. Ah. Alright.
I still can't believe you had the architect
Oh!
guiding you.
What are you,
I still can't believe you had the architect guiding you back then. Why didn't you tell me?
Had a lot on my mind.
Guess waking up from a 20-year coma has gotta be confusing.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's right here. You can't get away from me. Sprint, so you have to fight for the first time. Well, I know that. Why would you tell me, video game? Whoa! Uh-oh. Make that? I can! Whee! Video game? A and shift to dodge shinobi attacks. Oh, so this is like a high level enemy.
What is this tech?
Looks like a homemade version of GR hardware.
You're killing your own cosplayers, Jackie. That's cold.
Come on, just die already. Oh my god. These are annoying. I can't even bring them out. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. Wow. 1v1. What is this? So it's just like.
Do you think he's back?
Oh, it's like a timing thing.
Even as a human, the guy was slippery, like an oiled up eel.
That's pretty neat.
Him must be on a whole other level.
I don't even know if this is a. Oh my god!
I killed him.
Well, apparently you didn't kill him hard enough.
And when you didn't kill someone hard enough. There it is. Unlock. Ultimate abilities. Manage to unlock your first ultimate ability. On cooldown, X. X to use your ultimate ability. Last column socket. Oh, like costs us more. Oh, I can't put that there? How come I can't put that there? 1, 2, 3. This costs 3, then this should cost 2. Oh, it can only match with sword. I see. Interesting. Okay. I understand. Yeah, I think that's. I see. Okay. Flux, laser beam, laser beam. Oh, there you go. Guy, would you like to play Party Animals with me later tonight? I think I want to do Party Animals for the my thing I do for the end of the night. Hidden challenge. The next one should be it. What? Oh wow, it's just like that, huh? Pretty cool. Whoa, 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 where am I going? Oh, that's where I'm going. Oh, there's so many enemies. Counter. Oh, that last one, nice.
What was it like, having him inside your head?
There's some data chips here, huh?
I bet. Can you imagine a condescending jerk butting in every few seconds?
Whee!
I bet you can.
Order that trip. Oh, shuriken skill. 30. Wait, where's all the? Oh. What? Where'd the other one go? Hey, where'd the other one go? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, is that it? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Oh my god, it's behind me. Oh wait, I got it. Oh, I got it. Hee. Nice. I thought I thought it took forever. Turns out I did it. Oh. Okay, so I go down over here. Oh, I just take this up. Nice. Wait, it's over here. I was like, I see it on the map. Sword. I guess I only really care if I get the swords. Wow. All of them in one blow. What? There you go. I was like, oh, I was so scared.
What's your take on your dad's policies? Was the old man any better?
Ah! Ah!
Sure you did. He just don't remember. Adam personally oversaw each
Ah!
activation.
Ah!
Jerked off to his own genius
Flying!
about it.
Ah! What's over here? Nothing. Down here, nothing. What am I running up? What? Oh, what? Oh, hell nah. Jeez. What's over here? Man, okay. Oh my god, I gotta do it all the way back here. Alright, what is this? Interact. Huh, what's over there? Oh, can I get up there? I have to be able to get up there. Oh my god, he just warps to me. Like crazy. Yeah, he got wiped. Oh! I just jumped off the stage. Oh. I was like, he's considered dead, right?
We'll just delete him again.
Damn right.
The church doesn't stand a chance against us, architect or not.
Unless, you know,
What?
Unless.
appropriates our assets.
What?
What does that mean?
Over my body.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I saw I can go backward. There it is. Whoa! Oh, I'm back! I made it back! Oh! I made it back again! Oh, no way. Dang. Dang. Oh, maybe that was not the answer. That was the answer. Oh my god, I can't deal with the one with the guns. Who has the gun, dude? Oh wow. Oh my god, I messed up. Oh, I'm messing up. Hold on. I need to kill the ones with the guns first. That's for sure. That should be better. Oh, 2 for 1. There you go.
Wait, that's a hypervoid terminal.
Wow. I'd say the odds of him being back just went from probably not to we're fucked.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
going in.
Going in. I'm jacking in, dog. I totally forgot about these levels. There you go. Worm? What? How you gonna do that right away? Ah!
Won't budge.
So what do we do?
I
Oh, it's
figured there's
bugged.
no point trying to breach that terminal. It's operating on a completely different level.
It's impossible for me to breach it.
What do you think? Unless you're planning to smash your head through the gate, we can't really do anything to open it. Report to HQ. We need to discuss this.
I missed the sword? Oh, dude. I missed the sword. Oh, do I want to get the sword back? I don't. No, I don't care enough. You know what? I don't care about collectibles. If I find the sword, I find the sword. If I don't, I don't. Because I don't got time. I don't got time like that. It's just collectibles. Alright, guys. It's just collectibles. Fear. Very. Combo reaches 11. Your energy recharge is full. Stamina. Let's see. I want more regen would be cool. Deflecting is easier. 11? I don't like that. 11 is crazy. I do like the system. Beep, 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 beep. Zoe. Are you Zoe? You wanted to talk? Hello?
What's your take on?
They got.
There you go.
I mean, but you might.
Wouldn't they just?
He might.
They've got.
If architect for you.
I'll be. If he. How's
Yeah,
the?
I delete his
Yeah,
ass
I'm
again.
about to-
Okay, thank you. Good talk, good talk, good talk. Hello? Oh, they let you back. Whoa, nice
Any
blade.
update?
Yeah, not about the issue. Your fit.
What about?
I think I know someone.
I thought you were focused.
I was. It just so happens that the same
Who?
an old
Do you know where?
got a. I'm gonna need talk.
I'm ready to make the trip.
Who are?
What?
I'm ready to. Talk.
Let's go!
Stay sharp. This is the bad part of Dharma City.
Is it now, huh? Oh, he's dead already. Yeah, I'm the. It's not that bad, dude. Don't you know who the baddest is? It's me. I'm the baddest. Board upgrade. Other board. Overdrive. Everything bullet time slow. Everything but me. That's cool. Locate the hideout. Alright, so this way. It's very clear we go this way. Guess we gotta climb somewhere, maybe. Holy shit! Where am I? Oh, that's where we go. Oh, we slide under. Duh. I knew that. I knew that. Come on. There you go. Sensory overdrive. Nothing on the radar. Looks like this sounds good, right, guys? I'm not too loud and it's not too quiet. It's a memory chip. It's down below.
This is the place.
It's locked off.
So it is. There should be 3 terminals somewhere nearby. Find them and you'll be able to unlock the safe house.
Got it. Quite pretty for the bad part of Dharma.
One doesn't exclude the other.
Hey, where's the other guy? Oh, there you are.
Parts.
Well, then where'd he go?
Souls.
Poetic.
Whee! Oh, dude, it's a garden, dude. Yeet. Oh. Whoa, there's like a whole building and everything. What does that do? Whoa, there's like a whole area. It's like a whole park. I really don't like maps like these. Why? There it is. One chip down. Oh, baby.
No Kira.
Quite well. She's one of a kind.
Sounds bad.
I think I'm not supposed to be here.
She's all right. Just a little detached.
That down. Okay. Yeah, it was like we just go back to it again. Over here! Oh, I found it! Okay. Oh yeah, okay, I get it. I got the memo, but I didn't get it all. Ah, I see. Ah, okay. Oh. There, should go to the side. These to the ceiling. Oh, there it is.
A couple. They're scattered throughout the city, but that's the only one.
Nice. Audio log, baby.
Ever use them?
I lived in one for a year, hiding from you.
Ooh, nice, made it. Up here? Tell me to go down below. Oh, this one I'm supposed to go though.
Dharma is still so empty.
Dharma is still not safe. I know it's hard for you to believe,
Dharma
but the keys
empty.
didn't
Dharma
only
not
oppress the
safe.
people. They also protected them.
From whom?
Each other, mostly.
Audio log here. Boy, there it is. Hey. That's neon. I'm right? Dude, this is my neon training. This is my Genji training too. Okay, so oh, there it is. Nice. Looks like I got everything but the audio log. So Terrell, let's see you here.
Cyberboy terminal.
Told you she's an expert. She must have souped up the hideout's defenses.
Ooh.
I hope it's not as bad as the cathedral one.
I think if I beat this game, I don't know. I'll do the bonus on another date, like on by myself maybe, like not on stream. Oh, big jump.
Who are you?
Kira,
Don't think I can't see you.
I'm with the climbers. We need...
Not gonna talk? Have it your way.
You can't hear me.
You think you can break through these? Be my guest. Just don't blame me if your brain gets fried.
Am I looking at here? Am I looking at? Oh, it's right. I can high jump. Pah! I knew that. What? There you go. Cut your brain off. My brain. Oh my god, that thing's so bright. Come on, keep going. Wee, wee. Shut up. Wee. The neck, baby. Oh. Keep going.
How's it going, Green Hat? Kudos for staying alive.
Kudos? Well,
But
yeah.
beginner's luck can only get you so far.
Well, what do you mean beginner's luck? Isn't I'm a Genji main? Okay, so
Good
down
news, she's
below.
inside. Bad news. Bad news. She can't hear me when I talk to her.
That's weird. I guess that is either your hacking got rusty.
Hey, June, welcome
or
home.
Maybe someone tried breaking in before and broke something. Or maybe someone tried breaking in before and broke something. Hard to tell. Either way, you're just
I
gonna
see
have
it.
to open it yourself.
Welcome home, June. Oh, I see it now. Think? Oh, okay. Let's try that. Sorry, I was in streaming mode. I'm good, June. I'm just pretty exhausted. I was like, I was like just sitting here, and I was like, dude, if I don't boot up stream now, I'm not gonna stream again. I was like, fuck it. So I clicked stream, and I was like, oh, I'm so tired, but I should get through some games. Try to get through this as best as I could, you know. There it is. That's how you get there. New item acquired. What is it? Videotape. Oh, there's just a bunch of other ways to get there. Oh. What about you, June? How are you doing? What? What? Come all the way back here? Jesus Christ. What? I have to go all the way up there to see that? Oh my god, I see this shit now. Whee! Damn it. What? What was that? Oh. That was embarrassing. Whoa! I got a doll. Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it. What? Wow, wow. Wow, wow. That's right, I have to face the wall. It's locked. Oh, I see it. Not showing any other collectibles in my map. Oh, it's time too? Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Wait, how were the terminals, man? I was like, why am I launching? Where's the robot? Oh my god. No, why was that a wall? No! Wow, I can't even hit that, huh? Come on, dude. There you go. Ammo. That one wants to kill me for free. Bow? Where? Where's the person? Oh. No! Oh my god. I didn't even realize that guy was there. Oh. 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 I guess I just use a shuriken on him. Oh. There you go. Hey, he went. No way. Was ST again, dude? All right. Oh my god, where was that guy hiding? Where was that dude hiding, man? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is what's so hard for me right now. Oh my god. I am messing up. Oh my god, I couldn't jump. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that thing freaking killed me. Are you kidding me? Oh my lord. I don't know why I'm having trouble with this one. Oh my, I missed that one. I'm so sad, guys. I'm so sad. It wasn't supposed to be like this, man. There you go, we did it. I don't know why that one was so tough.
Didn't notice.
I'm bad at video games. Oh, I don't know why that one was so hard. We're getting Daddy June. Destroy 3 orbs. Is that the orb?
You again? What the hell do you want with me? Well, whoever you are, have fun face checking my firewalls.
Come on. Take me up. Where you go, go. Rooftop. 8? We do 8? Where the heck is the other ones? There's one right there, I think. Oh, I can just... Yeah, that's cool. One? No, that is one. Ah. Interesting. Interesting. Woo! Where's the last one? Gotta be somewhere messed up, right? Somewhere stupid. Somewhere over here, beyond the great beyond. Somewhere dumb, right? Right, somewhere unbelievable. Impositivable. Right? Somewhere below. Underneath. There's the last one. Help me! Where is he? Where is she? Where is it? Am I tripping, dude? I think I'm tripping. I don't see the last one. It's telling me there's one more left. Where? Oh. Inside the building? Oh, you're clearly not inside the building. She's cheating! She hit the last one somewhere. She's a cheater. The big fat cheater. Where's the last one? You lied to me. Oh, there it is.
This is getting annoying. Don't you have anything better to do? I have plans for the evening. Like, important ones, you know?
My mail? My mail? Yeah, we got the kisses. Thank you.
Just one more terminal.
Chocolate. He was very happy.
Why did you join Mara?
By the time I did, the tower had already been dying for years. I thought we could stop that. Turns out I was wrong.
Yo! Oh, nice. All in my first phase. Nice. How do I get there? How do I get there, my friend? Here? Whoops. Okay, maybe I go like down here. Ah, I see. Oh, a pass through all the cyber gates. Oh, one of these. 40 seconds.
She was the lesser evil, you know? At least back then.
She nearly doomed everyone.
It was neither the Keymaster nor the Architect who doomed the tower. This whole project had failure built in from the start.
How so?
Limited space, limited resources, small population, no real plans or means to reclaim the outside. This building was never an Ark. It's a fancy too.
How many more are left? I do it? Yeah, I did it! Let's go first try! Nice. Should be a way here, way there. Whoa! That's not what I wanted. Oh, nice. Memory chip. Ooh, a blink. Was the dash to them, killing them instantaneously. What? How do you mean? Oh my god, it will almost not work.
Your technique is perfect. Is it purely instinct,
Thank you.
or is there a conscious effort?
You asked me
Instincts.
if I'm a machine.
I know you're not.
It's both.
The last CV terminal.
Yeah, shut up, dude. Machinist. Orbs. Orbs.
Where did you even get a CV interface?
Orbs.
Fine, stay mysterious. I'll
Orbs.
just have Kevin retrieve your hardware once you slip up.
Orbs. Must obtain orbs. Orbsies. Orbs. Must obtain all orbs. Oh, I'm on the roof. That's the last one, baby.
Good job, I guess. Let's wrap this shit up. The faster you're dealt with, the sooner I can get back to being fine here on my own.
Yeah. You can't even hear me. What if I'm trying to tell you that there's someone behind you? Got your AirPods on and shit.
That was quick.
Oh, I died. Got hit with the Resident Evil. Oh, I died again.
When did you leave the Keymaster?
The day she died. Had you awakened hours earlier, you would have needed to go through me.
Glad I didn't then.
Yeah. Instead, one of the last hells got me.
Are there any left?
I hope not.
Ooh, my back. Whee! Whee! What? What do you mean? We go to now. Ugh. Whee! Who the hell are you?
You here to
I
arrest
see
me?
you.
No.
You here to kill me?
Oh.
Sorry, ain't happening. Damn.
Damn.
I'm here to ask for your help.
Why didn't you just say so? I'm all about helping people.
Bakunin says you know about the Cyber Void.
Adrian's alive? What a crazy day.
Pack up. I need you to come with me.
You heard the man, Kevin. We are going on an adventure.
Oh, just like that. I got an ally, huh? Pack up. What's that? Pack up. Continue. Ghostrunning. Too many people to talk to, dude.
I'll be back. Keep spying. Hey, nerd. Keep spying, little buddy.
Keep spying. The melee attacks dash use 10% more stamina. Less energy. You hit enemies more easily with a shuriken. I don't need any of these. I don't need any of those. I do have a lot more stuff. So, why not we do like ghost thrusters? Tap and me during combination of Mars object. Perfect parry, 50%. Sheesh. What is that symbol over there? So many symbols. Oh my god. What do you want?
Your friend.
I know.
How?
Well, yes, like
What is that symbol? What is this symbol? Ooh, oh my god, what's going on here? What is this? Simulation? Oh, what is this? Rewards? Bonus lives? What?
Stage 1 initialized. Subject Jack. Outgo.
I don't know what I'm doing. It loaded in so quick. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on. I'm scared. I got the simulation. Pushes enemies away. Are you telling me this is a roguelike thing? Face different enemies in a smaller area. Killing enemies grant you an award. What? Oh, what just happened? I didn't have a dash. That was what? Okay. So I'm playing roguelike. Jump higher, blade coding. What am I doing? Hardcore challenge, just get through it. It's pretty straightforward, right? Oh, I see it. I was like, where do I go? Easy. Hardcore easy. Nice. Blink. Power thruster, accessory overdrive. What is this? Take it or leave it. Chop. You can double jump in midair, but minus 6 HP.
Alright then.
Sure. And
I'll make you hurt.
I'm so scared of all the enemies. I'm so scared. I don't want to die. Oh my god, I did it without dying. I got an arm. Cool. Whoa, it's purple. Not cool. But it's literally like, it's literally wittily a gotcha. Not a gotcha. Whatever it's called. Roguelike.
What do you...
Straight to the point.
What is... Recall?
What?
Yeah.
You seem... How do you...
Help.
Okay, yeah. Cool.
Oh, I brought like, and there's this one program. Just make your
much.
cool.
I did it, Dr. Carter. I did it all. I did your simulations. Does he piss? Why?
Okay?
Sure.
Nah. I'm ready. Who?
Well,
No.
I'm ready.
Let's get to it.
You're here.
Not really. But then again, neither are you.
Oh, I
Hurry
see.
it up. We don't have all day.
Oh, so now I do it myself. That's annoying. Oh.
I thought only GRs could enter Cyber Void.
That used to be the case. But now with the proper skill set and hardware, anyone can do it.
And who has them?
Let's see. Me. That's it, really.
I've seen Zoe access a cyber-like environment from a regular computer.
And I've seen people licking ice cream.
Oh my god, I'm like getting slightly confused.
Just not quite the same. I mean, respect to her for fixing
Like when I was playing
bugs
with
when
Cloudy,
she
but I had to
did
press the
here
button
she had.
myself.
Even if you are a bit off.
We slide in. Oh, we slide now. Oh, we slide.
Done.
Congrats. Back to the real world.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, I went back here. Oh, nice. Dude, I'm opening the gates of hell. That's a crazy looking door. Is it closing? Oh. Oh yeah, the church. Chapter am I on?
Wow, that was quick. Was it though? The access time was 3.6 seconds. Bet I could shave off at least a second if I did both halves myself. If you say so.
Oh. I thought too long. What? What do you mean that hurt me? No! I can do anything about that one. What? I pressed shift. I tried to slow down time. Nice. Whoa, who are you? That was it?
Try and negotiate with them?
Oh, I've already tried that. Unlike the architect, I like to exhaust diplomatic solutions before sending in the killer cyborgs.
What do they say?
They said, the holy light of the machine god shall burn away your corruption. So, I sent in the killer cyborg.
Good call.
Wow, this is some distance covered. What am I looking at here? What am I looking at here? What? I go all the way back here? I'm looking to go around. I see. What? Oh. I'm not seeing this wall right here. More? Nope. Anything else on the radar?
God, I hate religion. Why? I hear you ask.
Nobody's asking. Please don't tell.
Religion doesn't stop bad people from doing bad. Religion doesn't stop bad people from doing bad things. But it makes good people do bad things. And it sure as shit makes dumb people do dumb things.
Yeah. Save the stolen
Oh,
money for
I didn't
someone who
see
doesn't have
that.
to put up with your whining.
I was like, how do I get past this? It's a little hook right there. Just another of me. Is it above me? Ah, there it is. Oh my god! Oh my god, electricity's back. Whee! Woo! Wow. Oh, I fucking fell down. Whoa, look at me rush. Please tell me I have to. My own damn fault. For going way too fast. What? What do you mean he didn't auto grab it? That's crazy, dude. Oh. Wow, I never seen that move in my life. Oh.
Don't the climbers worship the architect?
Another memory card. Wah! Wah!
And incidentally avenged him. That's it. Guy was a narcissist with a god complex. The suckers you're offing right now are about the only kind of people naive enough to worship him. Well, them and Zoe.
What shot me then? Oh. Oh, I'm going nuts. Oh my god, it's the robot. That's the issue. Where's the last enemy? There you are. There you are. I got him.
Okay? I know he wasn't perfect.
I'm very tired today. I slept super late, and that's because I stayed up so late for Baldur's Gate.
Well, I
What are we gonna play Tuesday?
the only human thing about him was the subtle smell of booze.
I probably am gonna hang out with Diggy because I'm pretty sure we have some stuff to do. What? Do what?
Huh. That's interesting. It only works when you're standing on the beam.
Interesting. Is very interesting.
How did we miss the church getting so powerful?
We didn't. I told you, we had bigger problems than Ghostrunning
That
and
it?
LARPing necromancers. This is one of those problems.
Bum, 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 bum. Wait, what? Alright, interesting. Ooh, memory check, let's go. Got it.
Doubt you can split yourself, so this is a dead end. Look around. Maybe there is some other way.
There's just gotta be another way. What's up here? We gotta like learn something here. Ah, sorry, man. Oh, that's cool. Shadow. Oh, as a decoy, right? Yep, decoy. Agebunshi no Jutsu.
You mentioned something about me not being able to split.
Nice one, Houdini. That should do the trick.
Oh. Oh my eyes. This is the same concept as turning it off and on. Oh!
Need to hold on to what weighs you down. The old world is
Whee!
gone. The Keymaster is gone.
Over here. No.
And so are the shackles that bound you. The only thing standing between you and transcendence are your attachments. Let go.
Oh no! Oh, nice. Enemies?
Join me in the true consciousness. Become one with Dharma. Leave behind
Anything
fear
else?
and suffering.
Another level? Why is it not the end of the level, please?
And the need for control.
What the heck hit me there?
Greed and the need for control.
Oh, okay, I see it. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness.
Jesus, Jack, focus on the target.
Just a minute.
Uh-oh. Oh, there you go, nice. Oh, it's a sword, let's go. We got eternal static. Oh. What's so dirty? Come on, dude. Why are you so slow?
I am the builder.
You know,
I am the foundation.
I'm the builder.
I am the architect. Join me in the void. Let us become one. Let us cast off the prison of flesh. The truth awaits inside.
Jokes aside, this does sound much more woo-woo than Adam ever did. But then again, he would say just about anything to make people obey him.
I think I just bypassed that entire area. I went, ooh-wee. What? There you go.
Makes sense to them. There's quite a leap between give up your ego and go shoot up all my enemies.
There isn't.
I mean, there are hundreds of people in the church. They can
Oh,
always
wait,
go.
what's over here?
I mean, have you met them?
Oh. 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 No. Oh, I see that on the map. Thank God they have the radar stuff. Whee! Oh, another arena.
The pariah has sullied the basilica with his presence. The pariah has sullied the basilica with his presence.
I'd rather not.
Who's next?
Stop the fallen one before he desecrates the altar.
Oh, who's next?
Yeah, desecrate the shit out of it.
Yeah, desecrate the shit out of it.
Tear the fallen one to pieces.
Oh my god, I just blow myself up.
Pieces. Rip off the pariah's head and bring it unto my light. Rip off the pariah's head and bring it unto my light, so it can be purified.
This seems a bit intense, but okay. At least we know he's not recording.
I feel like I'm missing something here.
Protect the altar. Keep the fallen one away from me.
There it is. Whoa, I'm grinding. Oh my god, that giant robot one. I mean, effed up, dog. There you go. Boom, baby. Another card over here on the other side.
There. You see that structure ahead? It's the source of all the signals, including the broadcast. This is your goal. If anything happens, I should be able to join you.
I've been playing for hour and a half. Oh, anyone down for party animals, by the way? It's almost 11, and I only want to play party animals a little bit. Anyone down to play? Sky? June? Sleepy? Gonna get your ass beat? Oh, there it is. You're here. Yeah, you want to play, June? Sleepy, Sky as well. You guys down? I didn't realize what time it was until what time it was. But Diggy's almost home, and I plan to relax with her. Unless June, you want to get some 1v1s in. This definitely feels like the end of the level, so I'll play some party animals.
My creation.
No, you're not.
Have you forgotten what we've been through?
I don't care.
Or did you think you were rid of me?
Are you Andros?
That I would just vanish into thin air because you wished so?
I know you're not him. Who are you?
I am the man behind the curtain, and you shouldn't have.
Missed the sword, huh? I'm hacked! I'm hacked! Alright, June, time to get your party animal on. We're gonna be in Cloudy's room, guys. You get your cheeks smashed on June. You get your butt beat. Cloud error? Oh dear. Alright. Oh my god, I'm like grabbing her right now. Come on, Sky, get on. What? Storm Harry? That's funny. Arc Harry. Oh my god, Dark Force. Right on. Coming in, June? Finish game solo. Oh, you can just like EXP. Oh, you can play with other people too?
This isn't your server.
Yeah, I'm not server. Dude, you get your butt beat.
What do you think? Why is this game so fucking loud?
I'm gonna invite Cloudy. Get the fuck in there! Join me! Wait a little bit. When he gets here, I'm probably gonna relax there.
Oh my god.
Is it not working?
No! Nemo the dog, his fucking costume where he just has a watermelon helmet is perfect.
Let's do this. No. Do this. 2 of us in a quick play. We'll beat up other people. Guys, beat them up, June.
We're gonna get shit on.
We're gonna beat up these people. Party! Hey, Egg. Some people will play dead. What a strat.
That's a lot of people.
I think it's 8 per room. Alright, which one are you? We gotta beat them up together.
I'm always the alligator.
Alright.
Larry, get it! Don't let them get the lollipop, Larry!
Oh, wait, there's 2 teams. There's 2 teams. Oh, we're teamed up together. We're both red. Okay.
Yeah, get the lollipop, Larry!
Get him, June! I got one. June, get this person. June, get this person. Oh my god, June, you knocked me out. You knocked me into the smoke.
Don't worry, I'll send you some company.
Alright, yeah, send him some company.
I already got the fucking shark down there with you.
Oh, one more. Oh no, you got batted.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh, he doesn't know how to
Bye,
play.
idiot!
Oh, what? How do you revive? Oh, he's invisible. I got him with the snowball. Blah, 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 blah. Get him, June. Get him. Oh my god, that was so good. Oh my god, you got him. Throw his ass off. Let's freaking go. You're so good. You just carried me, even though you knocked me out. Oh. Watch out, don't stay near me. Joe, don't hit me. What's wrong with you?
I think I got one. One of yellow team's out.
Yeah. I'll handle this too. I'll handle the shark.
Do not get too close to me is all I can say.
I got one. Knocked his ass out.
Throw weapon strats.
Oh yeah, it's all about the weapons, dude. We gotta throw this guy off.
Two of them!
Where is he?
They're gone. We got them.
Dude, we're fucking good at this game.
What?
I got one. Oh, save me, June, save me. I got one. I get the
nunchucks, Larry.
Get the... Oh my god, you better get this other person out. You better knock yourself out. I got the pig. I got this bat pig. There you go, I threw him. Watch out, I'll get him. Oh, never mind. You killed him. You actually just
I beat the shit out of him.
You just killed a man. Oh my gosh. That was nice. You're doing good, Egg. Great. Let's freaking go, Jude. Nice, dude.
Fuck.
That was good. We shitted on them.
Stupid. I bet they're all children or streamers.
Dude, the black hole lab. I don't know what this is. Been a while again? It has been a while.
Oh no. Somebody's gonna get black hole.
Stay away from the black hole and stay alive. Oh, it looks like you're supposed to grab stuff too to like.
Yeah, you have to grab the chains so you don't get pulled in.
That's so cool. That's so cool. What a cool level. Hey, dude. It's Gory time, dude.
Oh,
Dude,
that guy has a lizard costume I want.
Dude, you mess with the bull, you get the horns.
Are you the bull this time?
Yeah, I'm the bull.
I bet we can just throw them into the center to just knock them out immediately.
Probably. Yeah, we'll do that right now. I'll try it right now with Ultra Swift. Oh no, the thing is too high. I got you, June.
Hold on to me, Larry.
I'm holding on to you. I'm holding on to you. Holy shit. Oh no, June. Oh my god, I made it. Oh, I'm being picked up. Get off of me. Get off of me, you dinosaur. I got one in.
Oh. 2 people are out.
I threw someone out. Get him, June.
I missed.
Nice, nice. Throw him off, throw him off, throw him off, throw him off. I'll get the other guy.
In he goes. Larry, grab something.
Oh shit, you're right. It's coming! The black hole's coming! It's coming, June! No! Oh my god, I got knocked out from the thingy. Save me! Oh my god, he kicked me while I was down.
Hit his ass. Ha!
Oh dude, we're so evil. We're so good at this game already. I got a bomb, I got a bomb! I'm not afraid to use it. Oh, I actually hit him with it. I hit him with the bomb. I'm gonna throw him off the stage. Oh, here it comes. Zero effing gravity.
I don't know how to put this down to grab anything.
Double tap. You don't. Oh, yeah, that's right. You play keyboard. I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't let go.
Phasing everyone.
Are you?
Yeah, did you see this shit over here?
Oh, this tiger's beating me up. I need help. I'm scared.
Everyone is covered in taser darts. Look at him, Larry.
Oh my god. Jude, get over here. Jude, get over here. Grab the chain. No. Get the chest. Get the chest. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think you made it, did you?
I grabbed onto somebody else. If I go down, they're coming with me. Nope, I'm down.
I'll protect you. Oh, I got a crossbow.
It's you and a cat. It's just you and a cat.
Oh, I don't think he made it. I don't think he made it. Oh no, he grabbed on. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, it's a draw. Oh, we still won because I was on top.
He hit the bottom first.
Yeah, I think so. Do you want to jump in, Sleepy? We can just play like quick play. Get away from me! I got a frying pan.
Yeah, you fucking do.
The chain! Oh my god, that tiger's down. The tiger's down. Here, grab me. I don't think the tiger made it. Oh, he grabbed onto something. Lucky.
I kicked the shit out of him.
Keep holding. No!
I'm good.
I got the otter. Get in there! He's got the nunchuck, Jude! I got the nunchuck.
I'm the queen crocodile of this arena. Uh-oh.
Oh, running. Two hand on the chain. I got 2 hands on the chain.
Ah, bitch! Get him in, and we win.
Dude, we're so good at this game. We're so good. Oh! We did it! Oh my god, you're just sitting right in the front. Oh, this is fun on quick play too. Come around and beat up people.
Are we leaving to get somebody in?
No, I don't. And well, no one in chat said they wanted to join yet. No one in the Discord said they wanted to join either. So we're only playing for a bit. So I'll put some quick plays in. Ooh, the conveyor. That sounds funny. No, Gator! Don't get pushed by the waves and stay alive. Oh.
I fucked up.
It's fucked up.
Did you see her fucking clothesline him in the preview?
Clothesline. Today I am Otter. You know what? We'll be the green buddies, dude. You're the I'm the alligator, you're the dinosaur. Alright, dude. I can swim. Oh, June, you kicked me!
Sorry. Uh-oh. The duck has a frying pan. The duck has a frying pan!
Oh my god, oh my god, this duck is crazy good, dude. He just threw me instantly.
Duck, I think the duck's dead.
No, I can't get up.
Oh, it's not us.
Oh, I just got pushed off immediately. That was rough. Oh my god, I see what it looks like now. All right, this dude, one of them is really good. They just threw me off immediately. Oh, what the heck? He just backhand punched me. Oh my god, the duck named Toasty is good. He's crazy. Uh-oh. Bombs, dude. Oh my god. Oh, I got pushed out because I was at the edge of the thingy. Oh shit, Junior, all by yourself. Oh my god. Everyone's working together to keep him off. Everyone pushed them all off, Jude, for us. Oh god. Uh-oh. I think we did it, Jude. I think I knocked him out. I did it! Let's go! Knock his ass
Yeah,
out
Larry,
again.
I was just hanging on. I don't know if I was muted or not, but like yellow team and green team, I think are fucking dangerous.
Yeah, the red team is dangerous too. The guy named Toasty is scary good.
I'm dead.
Oh, I jumped off! I jumped off on accident. Oh, I jumped off. Jeez. No. All right, dude. Let's get rid of the green team. Let's get rid of the green team. Banana. Oh, I make someone slip. Oh, I don't know. Oh, get the dog, get the dog. He's so close. Throw a snowball at him. Oh, he got knocked out. Who threw a bomb at him? Oh my god, someone landed it perfectly on his head. That's fucked up.
Team are we? We're blue, okay. Oh, we're winning.
Blue, we're blue. Oh, yeah, we're winning right now. We just need one more.
I think I got the otter.
Oh, I'm knocked out. Oh, I'm like knocked the heck out right now. Oh, oh my god! Oh, that was a bomb. Oh, he punched me before I could drink my potion.
Larry.
No, they knocked me out, dude.
Swim back, Larry.
I can't. Oh my god, he just punched the shit out of me, dude. I got unlucky. We can't let the green team win.
They both have one win.
Oh no, the dog fell off. He couldn't get back on. Alright, we gotta knock the green team off, dude. We're doing good, Ace. Oh my god, you just punched the yellow one off immediately. A Jew? Oh, he got me. I'm done. Dude, I'm out. I got sucker punched. Got knocked out straight off the boat. Well, just stay alive. No, just stay alive. Just stay alive. The wave's coming. Just stay alive. Oh my god, you guys swept the way I saw that. Oh, the red team won. That's fine. The red team won. All right, dude. Last one. This is totally the last round unless yellow wins. Uh-oh.
Maybe not like this. I got lip hooked right off the stage.
Oh, he just headbutted me. Oh my god, we all got flung off. No! No! Who's the last one there?
It's okay, it's yellow team didn't have any wins.
Holy shit. Oh, I'm so fucking dead.
Me too, red team punched me right off.
This guy just punched me once and threw me off. He's so good. Alright, that's GG. Unless we can make the yellow team win. Oh, they just got launched.
No, they're already out. Oh no, that dog's still alive.
Keep the dog. Oh, he has a bomb though. He's so dead. Oh!
No, he's cooking!
He's cooking! He's cooking! He's cooking! Here it comes! Oh my god, he got cooked, dude. Oh my god, the red team won. Damn.
Yeah.
Dang. You wanna help us, Sleepy? Wanna get a trio and beat people up as a team?
Fucking, you're up there sniffing that otter's pits, dude.
Good. Get the password today. Gotcha. I want to do this one. This one looks fun. Opponent's base? You want to play finals with me? I think I have it downloaded.
Can we launch each other over there?
That'd be funny. We gotta just break their base and see. Do not get smashed by it. Alright, so it's probably 2 teams, right?
Look at the tactical dog.
Doors mass randomizers. Tactical dog. All right, let's do this, June.
Hurry up, Larry.
Go, 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 go.
Guys, you have to actually get them in, guys. Guys, you having trouble? He got crushed.
Alright, launch me, launch me, launch me. I don't give a shit. Do it, do it, do it.
Alright, Larry, let's find out. Beat the shit out of him, Larry!
Oh god, I'm distracting them. Dude. Why do we have bombs down? We gotta destroy their base.
They have somebody just absolutely beating the shit out of us over here.
Oh my god, we just sent everyone. Everyone just got sent over just now. Dude, their whole unit is here. Holy shit, dude. What is going on with our team? Hey, Kenson.
I just threw a teammate into the water on accident.
Oh my god, I can't do anything. Dude, we're getting our ass beat. What? How did that counted? Oh my god, that sucks. What the heck does this guy come from? He actually threw them all off. This guy actually threw all the bombs off. Oh my god, this guy knows how to do the controls. He's
guy
crazy.
is so annoying.
Oh, dude, I'm getting double teamed. These guys are crazy. They know exactly how to move the game.
How does he know how to throw so well?
I don't know if I knocked him out or he knocked me out. Oh my god. We haven't launched a single explosive?
I've been trying. I don't know where they're going.
Holy shit. Because they keep throwing them off, that's why. We throw them, but they just throw them off of it. That was ridiculous.
Guys know how to throw really well.
Yeah.
I
know how to throw. Yeah, so I know how to do it. It's just their defense was insane.
How
So
do
when
they
you're
throw so well and so accurately?
you need
Are the
you need
controls
to
just better on a controller?
yeah. So the thing is, you need to have both your hands on the item. When you have both your hands on the item, when you press the throw button, it throws it where your character's facing. That's how it works.
No, the fuck it don't.
No, that's how I do it. The thing is, you need both your hands on it, and to get both. And the thing is, your hands have no physics.
Larry, I am telling you, like playing with mouse, like fucking, if you have
with the
both
mouse
hands on
is a bit
something,
harder.
sometimes that shit just goes right at the floor. I don't know how this man is so like concisely throwing shit.
It could be camera. It could be camera angle too. Chef Boyardees. Oh, I actually haven't been streaming that long, huh?
No, not really.
2 hours? Oh yeah, I guess I did start around 9ish. I was exhausted today.
Long day at work.
No, not that. I was just tired. I guess I just didn't get enough sleep. I just knocked myself out. I think that was possible.
No one was grabbing the chain. We were just holding on to each other.
Oh my god. We're fine though. I don't think it sucked me in yet. Ah, I didn't land on my head though. Oh my god, they made it.
Yeah, it's like they just don't go anywhere when you throw them. I don't get it.
Oh! I'm rolling. I got the tennis racket, yo. Oh my god, the bunny. It's going good. Oh, we got knocked out by the bomb. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, 4 of us got you then. Oh wow, he wanted me. That's pretty good. I'm having a lot of fun. Oh, got a box. Nice. Oh, those guys got all knocked out.
Oh.
I got this. Oh, what? You knocked me out. Yeah, get in there, punk. Oh, Joe, don't hit me.
I'm trying to pick it up right, but these guys are chasing me.
Oh, that's a bomb. That's a bomb. That's a bomb. Dude. No, it's another bomb. That one hit me. I can't believe that one hit me. I think I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh, that bomb actually hit me mid-gravity. These guys are cheating. That's crazy. They used the bomb.
No fucking way.
Hey, it's the blue team. Oh god. Oh, he knocked me. Oh no, June. That was the first one. I don't think it X is in, right?
Throw it, Larry.
We can't let the blue one win. Get him. Oh, I got you, Jude. Oh, I'm knocked out. Get out of the box. You slipped on a banana. Get someone. I'm awake. I'm awake. I'm awake.
You know, Larry, we need to have your.
I got the box. I got the box. I got the box.
Oh, Jesus, that was close.
Did we get the blue team yet? Blue team's down.
Yeah,
Blue
they're
team's
out.
down. Oh my God, Jude, what's wrong? We got this little purple fuck. Oh, he got me right at the end. What? How did I get thrown in? June, you gotta grab us something and live. The last one. Uh-oh. Wait, I think he fell first. Let's go, dude. You were on top. Let's go.
I grabbed onto him so he couldn't get away from me.
Drippy has his game cutscene. Nuts. Nuts, dude.
Got
Get
him,
the blue
Larry.
team.
Larry, help!
What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, this fucking iguana has me now! It's just you, Larry.
Oh, do a barrel.
Just survive, Larry. You're by the chain. Don't leave that corner.
Oh.
Get to the
Got
chain,
it.
Larry.
Come on, grab it with my other hand. Grab it with the other hand. There you go.
He's coming. Ah, idiot! Too slow!
Too slow. This is a strong one, too.
That iguana's dangerous. Be careful.
Gotta get that guy first.
The iguana got blown up. It's just that guy.
Did he? Oh, he punched me, dude. I think I died. Oh, wait, he didn't grab him to the chain, did he?
How the did the iguana climb back up?
Is he alive still? Holy shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did I live? Oh my god, no way!
That was clutch as fuck, my guy.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Stalling each other again, god damn it! Larry, help, I'm unconscious. I'm the first one out at the party.
Oh, I'm so sorry, June. I'm so sorry, June. We just knocked each other out. We gotta get the blue ones at least. Oh my god, he knocked me out. Oh, come on, get him, alligator.
Oh my god, the lizard has nunchucks. Oh my god, the lizard has nunchucks. Don't go that way.
Oh, I've been knocked out. Uh-oh, the bomb. Oh, thank god the bomb wasn't on me anymore. Oh, what? How did my grip get loose? Oh, I died. How about you?
I'm still here.
Oh,
probably.
It's 3 people left, June. Oh, she's 1v1, 1v1. I'll hit him with the bomb. I'll hit him with the snowball. June, it's coming, June. Oh, you had a bomb near you. Double, oh my god, you had 2 bombs near you. I think we might have lost. Oh, it's the blue one too? No, we lost. No, everything is the center. No. That's pretty good though.
Think.
Oh. Wait, let me back out. Wait, I don't want to be friend requests. No, why friend requests? 8 people. Oh, they have gotcha stuff.
An egg coin.
10 egg coins. There's my outfits.
A SWAT vest for the cat.
Wait, how long is this taking? Oh, there you go.
What thing?
Oh, it's spilling out. Whoa, I got the sword one. Oh, I got an army carrot. That's so funny. The snow Barbie. Ooh. It's a common. It's been converted into cookies. What's in the locker? Here's a shop. Xmas. Christmas stuff. Oh my god, look at that one. That one's cool. The hammerhead shark. You get pink ones. Oh, okay. Anyways, alright, I'm ready. You ready for another one?
I think you need to reinvite me.
That I will.
What do you spend the bones on?
Just costumes. There's costumes that cost bones too.
I want costumes. Where do I buy the costumes?
Oh, it's on the right hand side on the big picture.
Let's play soccer. And not Gator Valley again.
Gator Valley. The bones are from your defeated enemies. That's right. Not only did we rob them of their bone snacks, but we also robbed their bones out of their body. It's me, Police Buddy. I'm strapped in. Blah. Shit! Whoa, look, it's Ori. I forgot Ori's in this game.
Huh. How do you get Ori?
Oh, June. That's you. This is the police. This is the police. This is the police. June, watch out! Watch out! June!
I'm sorry. My dinosaur eyes don't let me see straight forward. I got energy drink Gator.
I punched
but
Ori
I went
out.
with him. It's up to you, Larry.
Oh, that bomb has a huge radius. It's up to you
Wow,
now.
Gator is winning this real hard. He's got another energy drink!
Oh, he slipped on the banana. We gotta knock him out. Don't let the gator win.
And a
No
energy drink!
No, the otter!
Someone stop this man!
Oh no, the otter's gonna go. Oh. Or being up this gator, dude. He's going to bed permanently. God, oh my god. Oh my god, how did he knock me out in the water?
Oh, there is a no forgiveness. Once you're off, you are off.
Oh my god, I got pushed off too with the gator. Oh, you're off too, Jun?
Yeah.
No! Snowball the duck! I missed! Get the wiener, dude. Get the wiener. Oh,
what?
Someone actually got a banana. Oh, he boomerang himself.
This is just the public park. This is just
Those are
natural
bombs.
violence.
Oh my god, the duck slipped on the banana. Oh.
That was
a little
the banana
two-hand.
fail. He went.
Went a little two-hand there. Joe, that was me! What is wrong with you?
I was aiming for the guy next to him, sorry. Where are these people?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, bye, June.
I'm okay. Ow. That crossbow landed on my head and knocked me out.
June, you kicked me off the stage. Oh my god. I went flying, dude, with your kick. You better win it for me. Win it for us, June. Oh my god, you're up against the two greens by yourself. Nice kick. The wave's coming. The wave's coming. The bomb is a bomb. Oh, I'm throwing a bomb, Jude. Run! God, that bomb hit you. There's a wave! Don't get blasted off. Nice, nice. You got it? It's just a oh. Oh my god, you made it back. Oh my god, you made it back. Oh my god, you're so close. You're so close. You just, oh no, oh my god, the banana. You just got banana, dude. I saw you fly off.
I had so many knockouts in that.
You did.
I just couldn't get both of them.
I just got instantly punched.
The gator just threw me off with such fucking precision.
That was, oh, you two, oh, holy shit, dude, that was wild. They learned first blood. Oh my god, but they got punched.
Bye, gator. Get the yellow ones. We gotta get Ori. Yeah, get his ass!
Get his ass.
That duck is so dead.
Get the fucking shovel. Oh man, that duck. Oh man. Gotta beat this guy up.
Crowd throws rotten fruit at Ori.
I just got instantly punched too. Oh my gosh.
I just knocked one of the. Ori, how did you fucking left hook me like that? God damn.
Oh, I'm dead. I just got smacked with a shovel. Holy shit.
I don't understand how people manage to throw such like precise punches in this game.
Yeah, right? It feels crazy. It feels like that's auto lock on. The round started, he literally right hooked me. Oh. Oh my god. Where is she? Coming. Be soccer. Beat the soccer into the opponent's goal. Easy, easy, we got this. Wham, 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 wham.
There's a roll and a heavy punch in this game? Fucking excuse me?
Yeah, it's while you're dashing.
How? How do you do those?
That's the one that knocks us out in one blow and launches us. It's when we're running. It's the run. It's the strong punch.
How do you roll?
It's the headbutt button while you're dashing.
Oh. Does the roll hurt people? Is it an attack or is it an
No,
evasion?
it's just a roll. It's like an evasion thing.
Wait, Larry, we can do my strat and just kidnap members of the enemy team.
Get your ass out of here. Oh! Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Go, go, go. I knocked them out.
You're coming with me, buddy.
We finally got on the attacking side.
I love when they wake up from you carrying him and they start fucking flying.
He punched it in! I have to stop after this game. I might have to stop mid-game because Diggy wants me to go heat up food for her.
Okay. Well, you see, you should microwave the fucking bag of Hershey Kisses and give it to her.
Huh. I just do one more round and then I'll leave. I'll have to leave.
I'm just dragging the duck away by his bill, Larry.
Oh my god. No, I got it! It's clear! Knocked his ass out. I knocked his ass out. Oh my god, I got body slammed. No, he got it. Oh, I'm sorry, Jude. Oh my god, I got pushed. Oh my god, it's in! It's in! Holy shit! He's crazy, dude. Look at that. A textbook play. You know what? I think we can get the last one in.
Ah, didn't do it!
Alright. Oh no! That sucked. That was lame. Boom, boom, boom. I couldn't stop it. I think I had to punch it. I couldn't get the angle.
I gotta grab this one when they do the shock ball.
Oh!
Yeah!
Got on their side. Let's go. Oh my god, you passed it over. Get this damn duck. Get this all-state ass out of here. Is it in? It's not.
No.
Oh! This duck got me. Oh my god, nice hit. Oh! Oh my god, how did he dodge me? I'm here to tussle. Oh shit, I punched it the wrong way. Oh my god, wow, this team is good. I'm doing it. Oh my god! Holy shit, what was that hit? That was crazy, dude. Oh my god, that punch. Whoa, it's so perfect. Wow, that was cool. Alright. That's it for the day, guys. I'm done.
Oh, the ball explodes into like diamonds. That's funny. Fucking duck.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Alright, that was fun. Alright guys, Diggy wants food, so I gotta go get that for her. So I will be back tomorrow with something. I don't think anyone's asking me for anything, so I guess it might be some Warhammer June, I would say.
Yep.
Right? Okay. So it sounds like it should be Warhammer, I'm hoping. Don't worry about it, Ig. Don't worry about it too much. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take it easy. Bye, June. Thanks for playing.
Thank you. Night, everybody.
Night, everyone.